Hi guitar players, time for another lesson. Today we're going to play and learn how to play Oh Pretty Woman from the movie Pretty Woman. And by the way, Pretty Woman 2 is going to be coming out soon, so that song's going to become, another favorite again. So we're going to just break it down from the opening lick to the verses, all the chords, and I'm going to post the lyrics and the chords that go with them, and also the tab for the opening lick. Now the opening lick is very simple. It's in E, and I'll just play it now, and then you can take a look at a close-up of what I'm going to do as well. Here's the opening lick. Go right to A. Now you can play the A with your fingers, each one on each note, but I just do it as a kind of a bar chord. It's very simple after you come out of the opening lick, right? And that's the opening lick. Now we go to the verse, and it starts out in F sharp minor. Okay, now I'm going to have all the chords up for you to take a look at where all your fingers go. So it's, and it goes to D, back to an E, and then an E7. Let me start all over again. To the lick. Now it goes to a bridge, and that bridge starts out with a D minor, and then it goes to a G minor, G7 minor, then to a C, and then an A minor, and then it goes all over again, same thing. D minor, G minor, C. Now it goes to an A, which is kind of a turnaround. Go back to another verse, to an F sharp minor 7, to a D, and to an E. And that's pretty much all the chords and the lick that goes to Oh Pretty Woman. Let's just go through it one time, just as it would be gone, right? So you start out. Give that a shot. Take a look at the chords. Take a look at the lyrics, which everything is there's linked in the comments below, so you can download those and play along with it. You can sing it and have a great time. So I hope this helps. Give me a like if you liked it. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and come back for another lesson. Have a great day.